Type 2 diabetes symptoms vary, as do type 2 diabetes causes, but, thankfully, no matter what the cause, there is a type 2 diabetes treatment for everyone. If you have been diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, you may be slightly confused as to what exactly it is, which is natural in layman's terms. When you have type 2 diabetes, your body does not use insulin properly or doesn't produce enough of it, which causes an abundance of sugar or blood glucose in the bloodstream. This breakdown in metabolism of sugar is known as type 2 diabetes non-insulin dependent. Type 2 diabetes symptoms may present themselves differently in each individual, but many experience the following: increased hunger or thirst, dry mouth, increased frequency in urination, weakness or constant fatigue, blurry vision, headaches or, in extreme cases, loss of consciousness. It is extremely important to contact your doctor if you have experienced any of these symptoms, because left untreated diabetes can lead to heart disease and other serious health issues. At this time there is no cure. However, type 2 diabetes treatment can lower your risk of potentially life-threatening complications. The most commonly prescribed type 2 diabetes treatment is oral diabetes medicine. The medication's goal is to give your body the ability to use the insulin that it does produce in the proper way, which in turn will regulate your blood sugar levels. Along with taking the medication, your doctor will most likely advise you to include consistent exercise and changes in your diet. Most people who are diagnosed with type 2 diabetes tend to carry extra weight, especially in the abdominal area, and exercising and eating better will help to rid your body of that excess weight. In addition, excess weight is thought to be a contributing factor to the condition. Once you and your doctor have created an individual diabetes treatment plan that works for you should start to feel better, less fatigue, normal appetite, etc. One thing to remember is, if your new regimen stops working, your blood sugar is not regulated, don't hesitate to contact your doctor, especially if you are once again experiencing the type 2 diabetes symptoms. Learn more at type-2-diabetes-symptoms.com.